Hi everyone, I decided to paint a papier-mâché Christmas ball and show you the decorating process. First we need to prime the base with white acrylic paint, and then after drying we should paint it in some monochromatic color. I use light green. After drying I start applying a simple pattern with a cotton swab, and first large dots on top. Actually, the level of complexity is minimal. Even children can handle this, so you can see. And by the way, such a monotonous or repetitive rhythm of the ornament helps to relax and a little and focus on the drawing and to distract from the problems. So step by step we put just dots. We will use a thin stick, and perhaps you first need to watch the whole video and then draw with me step by step. And look, these small drops, small dots, we put as a pattern between big dots. And you already see the rhythm of the pattern. Very small dots. Yeah. So they look like beads. And when the white paint dries, we will add a few drops of gold color and a few more strokes of golden paint to complete the image. You will see now. I will finish this button. Yeah. Some small drops in, and then golden dots. You can use another color, you can use glitter actually, or glitter liner. It could be much more easier, but for me it's okay. I use it 2 sticks. You shouldn't know how to draw, so it's just small dots, one by one, and some strokes, also very easy. I like this combination, light green and gold. It's always something about Christmas vibes. I hope you like, because I wanted to surprise you. I wanted to inspire you. That is why I make my workshops, my video classes for you guys. So I hope you like. I forgot about these strokes. And you know what? This paint should be a little bit more liquid. I think it could be better, but I had what I had. So subscribe on my channel and you will see more and more workshops and tutorials about nice, interesting things. So welcome.